Hello YouTube, it is I, Curiositous the Cantarian, with another computer video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new battery into a computer that has a CMOS battery holder or a CR2032 battery holder that has no latch. I bought, of course, when it's be installing one of these in there. So one of the things we're going to do is we're going to be opening the computer up, obviously. So, and the reason why I wanted to show a video on how to do this is because, you see my Dell Dimension 9100 that is up here? It has a similar problem where it's the same problem. So in this Dell Dimension 4700C, is the easiest one to show this. What you're gonna need is one of these. What you're going to do that. And it just comes right out. Yeah, it doesn't have the latch mechanism, so a lot of people just kind of tell me. So you just pull it out. I get another one out here. So I open one of these packages. What you want to do is get a screwdriver. A little screwdriver like the one I showed you that I used to remove the CMOS battery, and just poke 3 holes in there, or poke enough holes until you can get it out. So we're going to just show you how to put it in, get it out of here, and show you how to put it into the computer. The battery will have this little protective cover, and you remove that, and then you can just install it. So I'm going to just remove the recovery. Here's a little tab just always remove it. So I'm going to remove it from the packet, from that part of it, and I'm going to stick it in to show you how to stick it in here. Now that I've removed the plastic deal, now I'm going to stick it in. It should just go. Just go right in. It should just go right in like that. Push it in. There you go. You got a new CMOS battery. I'm going to hook it up. Hook the computer up, and we're going to see if it'll work. that the computer won't power on when I made power on. 3, 2, 1, smoke test. That's what we're going to power on. 022. Oh, we don't. And power, plug it in. Right on. It's going to power on. Yeah. There we go. Click it in. Set C. F. Beep 2. Go to beep 2. C. I'm going to have to plug this into my network. I think I updated the BIOS on this. I'll have to check if I did that. Yeah, I really should just stick a 3 gigahertz on here. Be cool. Yeah, 2 gigahertz. It's not worth it. But I want to see the boot date and time. So I'm going to show you how to change that. So I'm going to. Now, one of the ways you can do that is this. I would recommend. Is check date December 2018. It's December 15th, 2018. Sheesh. It's going to be. Yeah. I think it's up and down. There you go, Friday. That's pretty close, though. Saturday at 12. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do the time in Windows, how to do that in like Windows X in Windows. So we're done. We're going green setup. I don't know. I guess it saves the information, so and we are running the factory Dell install, so it's kind of funny. Kind of the computer I wish I had back in the day. Still beat not being able to do a lot with your computer, especially with the video cards on here, which is not from the, which is a little surprise that I'm going to show you guys when I so I'm going to show you how to change time. Half-Life 400. I should install like a 3 gigahertz. That might be the reason why Half-Life 2 is not running well on here. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I guess why I'm playing. So I'm gonna just be right back. There you go. And just check the time. And I'm going to show. I'm used to this being on my desk, but here we'll see that the date, the date is that. So 11/9. We're going to do Euro. AM. So you change it to be a little bit. You change it to kind of have for the time. So yeah, the date, you need the BIOS, but you may have to do the time in the computer. I don't really know how to set that up in the BIOS. Let's see, we're gonna see if it saved the settings. And just shut it off and leave it unplugged for 5 minutes. See if it screams. I want to make sure I can check my settings on here. I thought I'd change, and it seems to have reset the settings. So, or maybe I had left the setting. So, F1. Yeah, I'm going to go into the BIOS, so I have to switch the setting off. That it seems to turn off, and so I want to kind of make sure the settings. Try this again.
Come in, Sergeant. Come in. Your orders, Herr Doctor. Go and get the other one. This one is almost finished. Jawohl. Now, let's try it again, shall we? Who do you work for?
Yeah, I know. Oh, it doesn't seem to be saving the settings, so yeah, that's pretty much how you do all that crap. I don't want to mess around with this machine. It was a waste of time just putting a CMOS battery in here. Because it doesn't seem to either want to save my settings, or the battery is not rated for this. It should be rated. But let's see if I've got it all working. Let's plug it in. I'm probably going to go into the BIOS and just switch a couple of settings here and there. Turns on. Let's see if it gives the error message about fixed drive. Let's see. Are we going to give an error? Yes, I actually got it to work. I finally got it to work. So I'm going to show you what I did to get this to work. And this is why I don't like these systems all too much. We'll see if it'll keep the time. Yeah, this system is running the original install. And I was amazed that it actually is the stock install. I wish I could put like other operating systems on here. And I might be copying over my new files for this system. I'm going to be using this as a V machine, as a virtual emulator for that. So let's see what the time is. It holds the time. We check the time. Date 2018. And it's the same. I actually got it all to work. I hope you and we're gonna just show you. You see those little tongs? The little tongs right there. You gotta make sure there's a bent light in the position like that, and then it'll work. So I thought I would show you that, so that way you can learn how to do all this. Yeah, I wish I could stick a floppy drive there. That'd be cool. And I thought you... Yeah, peace out, everyone.